Hi everyone, this is Emmy. My YouTube channel was hacked. 3 days ago, on Wednesday, my channel was hacked and all my videos disappeared and a crypto coin video was uploaded to my channel. I have no affiliation with crypto coin, Bitcoin, or any other mysterious internet currency. They also changed the name of my channel to something else and I could not even sign in. It was very invasive and it included other accounts too, not just my YouTube channel. My daughter worked intensively with YouTube support team and she also employed the services of an expert IT professional. And without his services and expert knowledge, we probably would not have been able to recover the channel. There's still much to do to clean up all the damage they did, and my daughter is continuing the fight. We have managed to find some of my videos, but somewhere around 600 are still nowhere to be found, and we may never recover those. I'm very thankful to those who emailed to alert me, as I had been at the hospice with my husband, and I just got home when I found the first email. So I hope we can get back to business as usual, even though many of my videos may never be seen again. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.